Hi guys! Good morning! I just got home and it's 11 in the morning. And look at this guy. Look at this baby. He's already on top of me. Oh boy. Ouch! You wanna go out? It's snowing outside. So we might go out today. And I'll take Charles outside. We are expecting snowstorm for today. I think it's starting now and it will be bad later on. So I'll take this. He might enjoy the snow outside. Right? You want the snow? Snow, 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 snow. So yeah. So today, yung biyanan kong lalaki ang nag-look after kay Charles kasi yung biyanan kong babae hindi siya available. At saka malayo pa yung travel niya kasi from here to Burlington, maybe 30 minutes or less than an hour. But yung biyanan kong lalaki, he live only close by. So, and he is okay. But he work while he was here. Kasi hawak naman niya yung oras niya. So, it's okay. He didn't mind kasi he's going away too sa March. So, yun. And, tignan nyo to. Look at him. He likes me. What's that? Little Charles? Yung dalawang yan, guys, lagi niyang pinag-prepare. Yan, see? Yung frog at saka yung monster. Kwan siya. Ito, regalo to ng lagi niyang nila-line up. I don't know, guys, kung anong ibig sabihin yan. Lagi niyang nila-line up yung toys niya. And, yeah, ito, regalo siya ng lolo niya. Little baby bomb characters. Yan sila. Gustong-gusto niya. Before, he's not even paying attention on them. But now, gustong-gusto na niyang laruin. So, yan, kompleto sila, guys. And, worth it naman kasi lagi niyang nilalaro. But noon, ayaw niyang laruin. So, yan. Yung characters, nakakuan sila. Tingnan niyo yung mga animals. Magkakasama. Tapos, yung what's that? Little baby bomb na tatlo. Yung character, magkakasama din sila. Itong mga tao, magkakasama. So, I don't know. Are you smart? Are you a smart boy? Yes? Are you being a smart boy? Yeah? And then, ito yung first na nakuha niya kay biyanan na babae. First gift niya when he turned 1. And then this one, I think when he turned 2 years old. Oh no, I guess when he was 1 year old. Oh no, maybe 2 years old. Tapos, marami naman siyang mga toys. Pero tingnan nyo, ayan. Yung mga books niya, guys. Look. Look at the books. He had books, but he teared them out. Look. They're pinupunit niya, guys. I don't know why. Tignan mo, wala na siyang matinong books. Laging punit. Yeah, so I'm going to make him breakfast now. I think you call it brunch kasi it's past 11 in the morning. And after, I'm going to give him a bath. And then we're going outside. I'll tour you guys. Not tour. I mean, I'll take you out because it's going to snow a lot around 2 o'clock. And then I'm going to wash the clothes, the laundry. We have a lot. And then after, I'll take him out and he might enjoy that. And yeah, it's going to have a lot of snow later and I'll show you guys outside. I'll take you out. So, yun, I'm gonna do laundry while doing the laundry and then I'll take Charles out to play on the snow. So, meron naman siyang coat and snow pants. So, yun guys, and I will be off tonight at work, and yun, tomorrow morning work again, but I'll be off in the whole weekend. So, that would be nice. siyang maging worse. You can see the flakes. Oh, yun na yung snowstorm. Yan, makikita yung nakabahayan, guys. Look at this guy. I just trimmed his hair. So let me see, Charles. Look at mommy. Let me see. Let me see your hair. Wow. Very handsome. See, guys. I just trimmed his hair and give him a bath. I used to do it in the tub, in his tub, so it won't. Wow, so handsome. Yee! Did you give them a smile? I just trim it a little bit so it's not too long, and it's always work okay, but I probably will do, see, look down, yun, guys. So yeah, guys, if we will bring him in a professional salon, I don't know how it will end up, but yeah, one day we probably will bring him in like professional haircut. He could have like a professional haircut. So yun lang, guys, and I'm getting hungry. I might make me lunch. It's making yes. What you trying to say? Huh? Then there you go, guys. Very handsome. He looks better. He was shy every time I say he's handsome. Well, he is, isn't he? You. Are you handsome? A cute guy? Yeah. His nose is definitely Filipino, guys. Definitely a Filipino. Your nose. Yes, that's nose. Your nose. Where's your eyes? Your eyes. Where's your eyes? Your eyes. Your nose. Your lips. Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? This one is not napping at all. Yes? You didn't nap at all. You woke up early. Really? You woke up early? You sleep late? Without nap? Without napping? I am drained. How about you? Huh? How about you, mister? It's not funny, huh? Where did you get those energy? Huh? Where did you get those energy? Can you nap a little bit? Please? Please nap a little bit. Yes? Yes? Yeah? Over here. Can you nap a little bit, please? Don't look so mad. Are you mad? Are you mad? No. Okay, nap time. You never nap. I'm drained. It's still snowing. The snow is really bad, and I don't know. It's supposed to snow overnight, and tomorrow morning, pretty sure that will be a really disaster out there, and I have to work double shift at night and 4 hours in the morning. So we'll see. Okay guys, I have to put this one at least 20 or 30 minutes nap. Otherwise, he will be up or he will be sleeping 6 o'clock and woke up at 12. So who can relate with me, guys? Having a toddler like this. It's okay. They're a blessing. They're all blessings to us. So you can't complain, right? And I think he's almost there. Are you napping? Yes. Are you napping now? I don't think so, guys. He still have a lot of energy. Okay, guys. See you later. Look at outside, guys. Galing to sa... Tignan nyo, oh. My God. Look at outside, guys. Wow. Can you imagine? Look at that. Nasaan na yung car namin? Ayun na si Gram. Ayun yung car namin. Kadarating lang niya, guys. He just got here and look at it, guys. The snow is really bad out there. After 2 hours. Ayun, guys, ang itsura. Ayun na, nakalubog na yung mga cars. Ayun, guys, yung mga sasakyan, ang hirap na. They have trouble driving. Look at this. Ayun, guys, sa parking namin. That's our parking. Look. Oh my God. So yun, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog for today. So thank you for watching and have a good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.